My name is Zalaegerszeg, Director of Global Commodity Management, which is part of the Global Procurement and Supply Chain Organization. My career at Flex started in 1997 in Zalaegerszeg, straight after graduating high school in the US. Early in my career, I worked in various purchasing, materials and supply chain functions at the Zalaegerszeg site. I have been very fortunate to work together with many great people, and I cannot thank my managers enough to foster my growth.
My name is Kristóf Buzsics and I work as a Central Quality Manager. The quality department significantly impacts on our companies and the customer success because we are productive, proactive and effective in a challenging manufacturing environment. In my work, I am responsible for implementing and maintaining quality requirements, representing our plants and customers' best interest.
Why would I recommend someone join Flex? You can make your own personal goals come true and absolutely no limits.